my God, Emile.
Yes.
The award show where teens make the choices.
Oh, the Teen Choice Awards. I see what you did there. Yes, they were last night, and they were incredible. And it was on Hermosa Beach, like outside for the first time.
That's why they get the surfboards.
Well, I don't know if that's why, but
It makes sense.
it does make sense.
But we're going to talk about their fashion.
Right now on Dirty Laundry.
Queen Zendaya, OMG, she looks amazing.
My euphoria queen.
She looks great. I love this different vibe from her. This is definitely a nice, I'm just chilling by the beach, you know?
I feel like this is the perfect look for Teen Choice because it's fresh, it's fun, it's super chic, and Zendaya has like, I don't know, it's like in her soul, down to her very core, she just is so fashionable.
She's so put together all the time.
Always.
And not saying she's not put together here, but it's definitely a more chill, relaxed vibe. Like, she looks like, I just want to go to a party real fast.
Very California.
Are they shorts?
I can't tell if it's shorts or a skirt.
It's like pockets have been stuck on the outside. And if anybody else wore this,
It would be a no.
it'd be a no. But when she wears it, she makes everything look so effortless and like amazing.
If you saw that on the rack, you'd be like, skip, skip, skip.
Yeah.
And then when she puts it together, you're like, what in the world is this? It's incredible. Like, her stylist
I know, but like
never fails her.
That's the thing is like after a while, after somebody looks so consistently amazing in every single appearance, you have to wonder like it cannot just be their stylist.
Zendaya can pull off anything.
Anything.
But the idea of like this oversized shirt mixed with what I think are like leather shorts is so cute. And the pump to match.
Yeah,
And
I
the
love the
pastel
pump.
pink nails.
Everything just works. Do you think like this outside pocket thing is going to be the new trend?
Yeah, I think
I would
that's-
rock it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I love that she's rocking her natural curls.
Yeah.
Is she not giving you Queen Elsa vibes with that long braid?
I love that long braid. It looks so like ethereal and like otherworldly. I mean, because she is.
Zendaya's always got a fresh face of makeup. Those eyebrows are the absolute goals.
Can we
of
talk about her
life.
edges, though? They're laid,
know.
looking slick, and she's got the little baby curls right here in the front.
This is such a good look for
It's
her.
so cute. Her, like, she's just perfect.
I know.
Oh,
my
wow. These two.
Chloe and Halle look amazing.
They look beautiful. And you know what I love? They always kind of match.
Yeah, they're definitely matching
But
now.
it's like not too much, you know?
My Ariel under the sea queen.
You know what I love about this is, you know, obviously they're Chloe and Halle. They have the same like social media handle, like account
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah.
But they have their own identities and personalities, and even like in this look, they're kind of similar but different and shows their different styles. I just love them so much.
Totally.
But I love the idea of this. It reminds me of like, you know how Destiny's Child, they would always wear the same
Yes.
pattern, just in different like
Right.
forms or
Exactly.
styles. I love this. And plus, I really dig this bodysuit jumpsuit. Like, I like the hoop in the middle.
Is that like almost like, it looks like a snake skin print, but it's more like a chain?
Chains. It looks like it's chains.
The melanin is popping. They look like they slapped some Palmers on.
Everybody's looking very dewy.
Right?
You know?
I think it's it's the whole like surfer California
Yeah.
beachy look.
And those pants, I love those pants.
Love
They're
them.
like so genie in a bottle.
These pants are everything. I love how they fit her so perfectly.
They're so cute.
They're cinched at the waist, and would you ever think about pairing that together?
No, but it totally works.
But it works so well together.
The color of her pants looks very beautiful in black skin.
Copper.
They totally take after their mentor Beyonce. I feel like she would approve of every single one of their red carpet looks.
Oh my god,
every
do
single
you
one.
think they like are on like a group chat with Beyonce saying, hey B, what do you think of this look? What do you think of this look? Could you imagine?
I mean, goals.
Goals, absolute goals. They look incredible.
They always look gorgeous and they can pull off anything. They give me fashion inspo a lot of the time just because I'm like, I never think to put things together that they do.
Right.
I love what they did with their makeup.
a very fresh face in terms of like face makeup, but this time we're seeing very specific like pops of neon color.
And Chloe's looking thick in a good way.
Oh yeah. Hips and dips that I dream to have, man.
So from one set of coordinating sisters to another, the Bella twins, I also dig this sort of matching look.
Come through, Nikki and Brie.
Nikki and Brie. It sounds like a theme song for a show.
A good thing they have one.
Nikki's outfit, the two-piece, I love a good two-piece.
Me
I love
too.
But just pants, I love pants, you know?
They're just so comfortable. You look so
comfortable.
chic, but you're actually like you can move around, you can walk, you can sit, and you don't have to worry about anything popping out, you know?
I think they look like Grecian goddesses. I love a sparkly number. And they're both, what's wrong, Emile?
Why you gotta say something?
Because I can tell in your tone of voice that you don't like it.
Now, did I say that though?
Well, how do you feel?
Okay, here's the thing. For the purple dress, I guess, it's just a little like I'm all for like loose. It's just a little too. There's not enough structure for me. It looks like baggy.
This material's just great, especially because it's probably like 90 degrees out.
I know.
And you know they're super comfortable because there's air going through all the right places.
It's flowy.
Exactly.
And I love Bree's stilettos. I love those shoes. They are so perfect for that dress. They are so well coordinated. And I love the hoop earrings.
Well, I love a hoop moment. Bigger the hoop, bigger the hoe. Bigger the dreams.
Oh.
Bigger the lifestyle.
I think you're just saying things at this point.
Bigger the...
Oh!
Okay, Drew, you need to calm down. Because Taylor Swift just slayed the carpet.
This song
is
name.
incredible.
Calm.
I love this so much.
Ooh, is this
Taylor Swift?
Is this Versace?
Wait, is that Taylor?
She's such a different look for her.
This is it with Versace. Taylor's wearing
course.
Versace here, and it's like this bodysuit with shorts and the jacket. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm like sitting here with a magnifying glass, like looking for Easter eggs.
You know, she was there getting the Icon Award, and like, this is what I would envision for this type of show.
Yeah.
Like a pop queen should wear.
Yeah.
It's kind of regal, but it's still fun. You have this little, is that a romper?
Taylor she has like her own style and she can be edgy, but this is like a different edgy. This is giving me a different vibe. Like I've never seen this Taylor before. Like she needs a new name.
I think she always does a great look on a carpet. I've never seen her not look great on a carpet, and this is perfect for the teen choice. It's fun.
Yeah.
It's colorful.
I really like the shoes.
I'm not a fan of the shoes, but I think they work with the look.
For this, I feel like the look in itself is extra because the shoes, that looks like the, the rock climbing rope. And,
yeah.
and you don't know what I'm talking about.
Right, rock climbing your way to success. The Icon Award. There was a metaphor
We're
there.
stretching.
Stretching.
Oh, the
rock
stretchy.
climbing rope.
Okay,
I think she did it on
okay.
purpose. I think
Yeah,
we hit it spot
yeah.
on.
The outfit to me screams like it's like beach club cabana. Like
What are you talking about?
it's very like costumey.
And I love like the bold prints.
For
like,
sure.
Prints on prints on prints. Love that look. Looks incredible. I mean, you can't go wrong in Versace.
I think her hair, her glam, her shoes, that's more on the edgy, like alternative side.
I don't know about her hair. Like,
Oh, you don't love it?
I mean, I love the hair and I love the whole look, but I feel like the hair is like making her look a little bit older.
I was gonna say this is a more mature look for Taylor, and I think
Yeah.
that was an interesting choice, given this was the Teen Choice Awards.
Maybe that was her point.
Yeah.
'Cause she's not a teen anymore, so maybe that's why her hair looks a bit more mature.
I love her hair. I think it looks very like 60s housewife, which I'm here for.
She's flawless.
And you know what? She's actually hungover because she had like
had a
her
party.
the night before, and she had drunk
Drunk
Taylor
Taylor was
meme,
trending.
was trending on Twitter, and this is her hungover. If this is a hungover look, you guys, I mean, I need to be hungover way more often.
It's just all so samey that it looks like a uniform.
No.
But except a costume uniform.
No.
Like in a musical or
Oh
something.
my gosh.
Da, da, da,
You're
da.
about to get it in
I
the
am
comments. People are
Taylor
going to be
Swift,
so mad at
showing
you.
up to the Teen Choice Award.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, it has nothing against Taylor.
Yeah.
Calm down. Stop typing. Stop typing.
Candace from Full House.
Oh, well, Fuller House now.
Oh, the show. I was like, thick?
Oh, no. Okay.
She looks good.
Well, I have to say, Susan, I do feel like you just did this look a little bit better than her.
I was about to say,
Like, you just did what she was trying to do, but you did it right.
Maybe I'm not stylish. I don't know. But I saw this on the live feed of their pre-show, and I thought this look was fun and refreshing and like breezy, and I love a good animal print.
It's a lot to look at, you know?
Yeah.
It's a lot of patterns, a lot of different textures, a lot of different glistens and colors.
I like that
So
she
much.
she paired it with different animal prints too, and it's not all the same.
Oh, see, that's my biggest issue with
Oh,
it.
you don't like it that it's cohesive.
It's so weird.
the tip and the trick is to wear one piece, and you're not trying to match two different
Yeah,
kind
two
of
different
animal
prints.
prints that don't. I mean, I
I think I would have liked this more if it was just like the one zebra that she has on top. Is that zebra? I don't even know. I think it's zebra.
slash
And the
tiger
bottom is
stripes.
snakeskin.
Is it or like tiger stripes?
I don't even know. I don't hate her hair and makeup though. If we take a look at
Yeah.
her glam, I actually love it. It's like very youthful and pop
Simple.
of color and ponytail. Like I respect the ponytail because I heard it was just hot as all can be out on that carpet. So like I love the hair and makeup, but it's so distracted by the look. I kind of almost missed it.
I didn't even look at her face or her makeup.
I hate to say this, but it kind of looks like she's trying too hard. I hate to say that because, like, what does that even mean?
I dig these shoes. Best part of the whole outfit.
So I kind of do like the shoes. I like the gold. I like how they reflect off the floor. So I like what's happening on the top, and I like what's happening on the bottom.
But like the part in the middle has to go. Like we just need to get rid of that part in the middle.
Okay, so Monsta X.
Yeah.
You know what I love is how they all coordinate, even though they're wearing something totally different, but it just works together. It's cohesive.
They are so aware of their own personal styles.
I was just about to say that.
But yet, like a stroke of genius with their stylist, they also look so good together.
I think they all look very chic. I love it. I love everybody's hair.
Yeah.
I love that all of them are doing this like tousle look with their hair.
I
Like,
know.
oh, I got some gel, just did this a little bit and walked out, and it looks effortless.
It's like we did something to it, but we don't want you to think we did something to it.
Right. Which
Yeah.
takes longer than doing something to it.
It's hard to do a messy hair look.
The one thing that does kind of seem throughout is the black shoe. I think that even a couple of them might even be wearing almost the exact same style. But again, we have a boot, we have a loafer, we have more like a suit shoe. There's another boot. Like it just works so well.
I love their makeup. Yes, androgyny. I love it. I love a red lip. Clearly. I think all their eyeshadow looks amazing.
And of course, they won down. Kian wasn't there, which was really sad he couldn't perform, but the boys did an amazing job and they looked amazing.
Okay, KJ Apple with the baggy suit. This takes me back to Atlanta.
It was all
if you go to my
baggy.
old church, it's still baggy. It's like this would fit in.
Oh, Jesus
I know.
Lord. What is happening? in this
Wait a
picture?
minute.
I don't like the pants.
They
I feel like from like waist down, if you just showed me a photo where I didn't see his pants, I would be like, oh yes, I am so into this look.
It's giving me like 90s
Yeah,
vibes.
100%.
You know, like this is a very Justin Timberlake kind of a look.
I love the 90s. I love this. I think that's why I vibe with this so much.
Yeah.
This reminds me of the era that I come from, that I want to go back to.
The jewelry is amazing. It
really
kind
is.
of got that real almost like pimp daddy look.
I think KJ though does a really good job at like taking style risks. He's worn like a romp him before, you know, on carpets.
Yeah.
And I feel like he just does such different things than he does in Riverdale. Like he is so not Archie, and I love it. I love that he's here taking fashion risks, and so I respect it.
I love everything about this. It's so like at first you're like, this is weird. But then if you give yourself like 15 seconds and you just like look into his eyes, you're like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is working for you.
My boyfriend, the internet's boyfriend, Noah Centineo.
I don't even know if I could speak on this because if my husband was watching this video, I would be in some serious trouble. But like, come on.
I know.
Okay, so it's like Teen Choice Awards, right? They get surfboards.
Yeah.
It's in California.
Yeah.
Very beachy vibes. Yet Noah's taking us into a different season. It's almost like fall meets almost winter, but the shoes and the jeans give me summer.
Every single time that he's on a carpet, he just does not give a you-know-what.
He really
doesn't
doesn't.
care,
He really
and he
doesn't.
still looks so fly. You know, he was just like, oh, I got the Teen Choice Awards.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, grab that, ready to go.
Remember the last carpet he showed up like a black t-shirt and jeans?
Right.
I mean, I love that every time he does a carpet, he is so dressed down and so casual, yet still looks amazing.
I just don't know if like this is really just him being him or if this is his secret ploy to be
No.
so relatable. He's like even that much more attractive.
He's giving me just like surfer boy vibes, and the whole thing is Teen Choice surfboards. I mean, he nailed it.
Look, he showed up in a flannel shirt
Yeah.
with some ripped up jeans
Yeah.
and some white sneakers.
He didn't do a damn thing to his hair.
He didn't do anything to his hair. You know that was from the night before.
Right.
And he still looks fantastic.
Honestly, it still looks a little wet.
it does.
Like, he
Like
might
he
have-
just rolled out of the shower and went.
Like from his hotel across the street.
It
He's
ain't
like, all right,
right.
I'm gonna go.
Wow, he's giving me like lumberjack vibes. here.
Total lumberjack vibes. When you look at like the top of the jeans and above, but then once you see like all the shredded, like I don't think lumberjacks would wear like shredded jeans like that.
Oh, I think those pants are like torn and then there's something underneath, like leather or another fabric. I feel like there's a couple of layers, which was probably kind of even hotter now that I think about
Yeah.
it at the beach, but I love the look.
I don't know if we can even call these jeans. They look like, my mom would say floods, you know? Looks like he's walking in water.
Okay, now that we're zooming in on the pants, I kind of have a hot take. I don't love them. It looks like someone like took a cheese grater and was like just shredding them. But I do like how they are the skinny bootcut jeans. But at a closer look at them, they're actually not my favorite. But I think the outfit as a whole really worked for him.
Okay, no, we didn't agree on everything, but who is your favorite from Teen Choice 2019?
Okay, so as far as women, I have to go with Chloe and Halle just because they always kill it and I love a good pant. But I think my my favorite of all time was KJ Apa because homeboy was just so fine and so effortless, and he brought back the 90s look, and I love that.
Right, I 100% agree with you.
You do?
Yeah, because I think it's the way I reacted to the picture, and then upon looking at it and seeing all of the details and how much this outfit worked, I like that. I like that I was like, whoa. But not in a bad way, I was just taken aback, because that's fashion to me. That's like my deep thought of the day.
So I have 3 favorites.
Okay.
Zendaya, because I just love how effortless and beachy she looked. Taylor Swift, just that whole Versace look was everything. And Noah Centineo for that neck, I'm telling you. It just works.
I thought we were going to have the same. I have 3 faves too.
Who?
Zendaya.
Yeah.
Taylor Swift. But then Chloe and Halle, because I just think they coordinated so well together.
I just love them.
I know.
Bias.
But the neck
Love
was
them.
the neck was good.
The
but
neck is so
that wasn't
good.
part of his outfit though. That's just him.
It's an accessory
You know?
that he brings with every outfit. And I feel like we have to address it and give it love, you know?
I mean, it's so hard to choose, but if I had to pick one, I'm going to have to say Taylor Swift because I loved her outfit. I love the look. It's so on point with like Versace fashion. And she owned it. I know I didn't love the hair completely, but I mean, she slayed this look. And I mean, I'm all here for the new era of Taylor.
While I love Taylor, and I do think that this look was like perfect for her album, she was one of my favorites, but my favorite was someone we actually didn't talk about. Maddie Ziegler in Chanel was everything. She had that light blue suit. She looked so mature. It was like a whole new era of her, and I was just really here for it, and I'm excited to see the future of Maddie Ziegler as a fashion icon.
So many good ones.
So many good ones, but I mean, we can't talk about everybody. So if there's somebody that you think we missed, let us know in the comment section below.
Also, just your favorites in general, let us know in the comment section below. But also, you guys, we post Dirty Laundry every time there's an award show, so be sure to come on back, subscribe, hit the bell.
Yes, hit that bell so you don't miss a single update.
And you guys also, now that you've watched Dirty Laundry, your laundry is now dirty. You're welcome. Oh man, that video was some good stuff. But you guys, there's even more good stuff if you click right on over here for even more clever style. When you're done with that, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Did you do it? Have you done it? I did it.